Hello, I'm Elise. I'm a student at the University of Cincinnati and a member of the Ornithology Club. And ornithology means the study of birds, and that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to be talking about some of the birds you can find in Burnet Woods, identification, and Burnet Woods' status as an important birding area by the Audubon Society. Burnet Woods is considered an important birding area by the Audubon Society, also called an IBA. IBAs are areas that are considered very important for the conservation of bird species. And one of the reasons that Burnet Woods is designated as an IBA is because it is a migrant trap. So a migrant trap means that it's an area where you can find a lot of birds resting and refueling during their spring and fall migrations. And Burnet Woods is the only significant green space in a lot of greater Cincinnati where they have that opportunity. Burnet Woods is a great area for residents to be able to enjoy, watch, and appreciate so many species of birds. For example, there's a lot of water-reliant bird species that you can see in Burnet only because we have a pond, such as belted kingfishers, species of ducks, and species of herons. Unfortunately, the buildings at the University of Cincinnati and in the city in general contribute to many avian deaths, mainly from window collisions. Because of its proximity to UC, Burnet Woods is critical for the survival of many bird species, especially forest-dwelling species, such as the wood thrush and ovenbird. One of the species that is known for being in Burnet Woods would be the barred owl. There's often a family of barred owls living in Burnet, and you can hear them in the evenings and may also be able to see them then. In the spring, you also might be able to see their babies in a nest. One of the hawk species that you can find in Burnet Woods would be the red-tailed hawk. They have pale feathers on their belly, and as their name suggests, a red tail. Burnet Woods is a great place to be, and there are a lot of things that you can do to get involved. One of the simplest things would be to go bird watching yourself. You don't even have to have a lot of experience or knowledge. It's a learning process for everyone. You can also learn how to identify some common bird calls and point it out to your friends and family. Another great opportunity would be trash pickups in Burnet Woods, which helps keep the park clean for everyone. Outside of Burnet, there's still a lot of things you can do. For example, you can go bird watching in your own neighborhood. You can also set up a bird feeder, and if you have a yard, you can plant some native plants that will help birds find food and shelter. Protecting green spaces for bird habitat is incredibly important for avian conservation, and Burnet Woods is one of the most critically important areas for birds in our own city. By learning more about the birds of Burnet, you can learn more about the nature of the park in general. You can share this information with your family and friends, and also even contribute to research on the bird species that are in Burnet.